We just completed an awesome new integration with a great product called Hover. Now, what Hover does is transforms smartphone photos into a 3D model of any residential property. All you have to do is download the Hover app and then walk around that property and take 8 photos. So one from each side, one from each corner. Hover app will guide you right through this process. Within 24 hours, they're gonna deliver you an interactive 3D model and the measurements of that property, all the exterior measurements. So we're talking the roof, the siding, the gutters, the fascia, the windows, the doors. You're gonna get all those measurements so you can put together a bid really quickly. But not only that, you can use that 3D model they give you to demonstrate to the customer, your potential customer, what their home could look like. So you can put different roofing products on there, different siding products, different windows, and really create this beautiful visualization for your potential customer to try to sell that job. Now, when you connect Hover to CompanyCam, those photos that you take that they use to build that 3D model will sync directly into the right project in CompanyCam, and their measurements PDF, when that's finished, will also sync into CompanyCam under the documents section of that same project. So you'll have it all in CompanyCam, you'll sell the job with their incredible 3D models, and then if you try Hover out now and you've never done it before, they're going to give you that 3D model and the measurements on your first property for free. So please check it out at hover.to. That's hover.to.